1988 Mercedes-Benz 560 SL R107. Price: $13,750. Location: San Diego. The 1988 Mercedes-Benz 560 SL is the kind of classic car that instantly commands attention the moment it appears on screen. Finished in the legendary Signal Red factory paint with a luxurious Palomino interior, this German roadster captures the golden era of Mercedes-Benz engineering. From its elegant body lines to its unmistakable chrome accents, every inch of this R107 feels timeless, sophisticated, and built to last forever. The biggest highlight of this beautiful 560 SL is the fact that it comes with two roofs. Owners can enjoy the comfort and security of the removable body color hardtop during colder months, or switch to the convertible soft top for pure open-air cruising. That flexibility is one of the reasons the R107 became one of the most beloved luxury convertibles ever produced. Even decades later, this car still turns heads everywhere it goes. The fuel-injected V8 engine under the hood delivers smooth power with the refined driving experience Mercedes-Benz was famous for during the 1980s. Paired with an automatic transmission, power steering, and four-wheel power disc brakes, the 560 SL offers effortless cruising whether you are driving through city streets or along the California coastline. The sound of the V8 combined with the elegant design creates a driving experience that feels both powerful and classy at the same time. The interior of this classic Mercedes is pure vintage luxury. The Palomino bucket seats, VDO gauges, four-spoke steering wheel, wood trim, analog clock, and Alpine radio all create an atmosphere that feels premium and nostalgic. Features like air conditioning, cruise control, and power windows remind you that this was one of the most advanced luxury roadsters of its era. Even today, the cabin still feels comfortable, stylish, and incredibly well crafted. The most impressive part about this 560 SL may be the extensive mechanical work completed between 2021 and 2022. Over $10,000 was invested into keeping this car mechanically strong, including cylinder head valve repairs, a new timing chain and guides, fuel system restoration, new fuel pumps, fresh filters, and tank servicing. Those updates make this classic far more appealing for collectors who want both beauty and reliability in one package. The Mercedes-Benz R107 is more than just an old convertible. It represents an era when cars were engineered with unmatched durability and elegance. Celebrities, collectors, and enthusiasts around the world continue to search for clean examples like this because the 560 SL has become one of the most iconic luxury classics ever built. Its timeless design continues to influence modern roadsters even today. The combination of Signal Red paint, Gullah-Deckel wheels, chrome trim, dual exhaust tips, and the legendary Mercedes-Benz badge makes this 560 SL look stunning from every angle.